Rather big focus. We've known it was bad, but how bad? A shocking study by the Center for Global Health Research has now revealed that nearly 12 million girl children have been aborted in the last 3 decades in India. Worse still, over half of them, that is 6 million, have been killed in just the last decade, clearly showing that selective abortions are on the rise in the 21st century in India. Rubina Khan Shapu is now joining us for more on this. Rubina, we've just suspected the situation, of course, being very, very bad, as has been revealed in the recent census there. But how bad? Those figures, of course, very, very startling there. Also, it's the rich and the educated that are most to blame.
Yes, Natasha, somewhere the rich and the educated are more, seem to be guilty, and this study has revealed this shocking fact that educated mothers who are going in, who are killing the girl child. And so let me tell you, Natasha, somewhere this two-child norm, a small family, has become the ideal family is one which obviously has a son. Two daughters are not welcome, and the study has revealed that if the firstborn is a son, then obviously then the parents do not go for sex determination. But if the study has revealed that, but if the first child is a girl, then there is a significant decline in the sex ratio, and there is a huge difference. And here also and if in 1991 if the 6% of educated mothers were aborting girl child, this has gone up to a whopping 20%, and also the rich who are saying no to the girl's child. Perhaps the access to education has made them aware of the sex determination test, and also the whole thing about the property, sharing the property, this does not pass on to the girl. Somewhere these patriarchal notions are forcing the rich and the educated to go for such old anachronistic attitude towards girls. Natasha.
An attitude that's really showing no signs of changing. Rubina, also, this is of course not just limited to the last century. We've just crossed the first decade of the 21st century, and things really don't seem to be improving at all.
Not at all, Natasha. In fact, the study reveals that most of the Indians are living, the 90% of the Indians are living in states where selective abortion of girl child is very, very rampant. Earlier, in early 80s, it was negligible. It was just relegated to certain pockets like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan. But over a period of time, people expected that the policy intervention and education would make a difference, that this problem would plateau in 2011, but the census and this study reveals that in fact it has just become worse, in fact more worse. 90% of India is living in states where abortion of girl child is become very common.